population of Northwest Arkansas has grown tremendously over the past couple of decades, and in order to preserve part of the culture, the Fayetteville Roots Festival, which is all about staying in touch with your roots, has grown out of this population explosion, and it's all about the food and the music and culture of the region.
We're at Fayetteville Roots Festival, eating and drinking and listening to music.
Roots Festival is music and food, two of my most favorite, cherished things in the world. It started 8 years ago at the Greenhouse Grill. It's supposed to be a one-night show, and here we are with over 110 individual programs this year.
It's amazing. We're cooking a lot of food. We got some amazing chefs from across the country, across the world. You know, throwing down some good food, some good vibes, good music, good people. I mean, it's like a party.
I'm here for the food and the drinks tonight.
Food. The music, sure. The food.
The food.
Food.
Hands down. That's our favorite part.
Music's great.
Yeah.
There's a lot of great people here.
This festival in particular, I find it's really interesting how it's almost 50% food, 50% music.
Yeah, it is.
You don't see that.
Right.
You know, you're either a music festival
or you're a food
festival.
Okay.
This year was the first time that we've been able to balance that food and music component on an equal playing field with these guest chefs and the headlining musicians. So we had 5 chefs from around the country. They're all James Beard winners, Michelin star havers, cookbook authors. So to bring in this all-star collective and team of chefs from around the country to really showcase themselves and be like the headliners.
Today's rock stars truly are chefs, and so to put them all in the same space,
Yeah,
it's just
that's
so
fun.
cool.
I love that.
It's inspiring.
This is our first time in Northwest Arkansas, and truth be told, we are kind of blown away by this place. So the art, the food, the people.
And then local chefs, we had over 30. And they're coming from local restaurants, bakeries, big and small restaurants around from Little Rock to Northwest Arkansas. And they've all come together to collaborate on different dishes, collaborate on lecture series, help the guest chefs out.
We've got several different events we're doing. We're doing a luncheon with P. Allen Smith, of course. We've got a tasting event for VIPs tomorrow evening, and I've got several other events through the festival in Fayetteville. I'm really excited.
All right, we have kimchi, collard greens, crispy pork jowl, and we have a sheep's milk yogurt dressing to go on there.
Cuban-style polenta, which is very creamy.
There is a mixed pepper chutney. It's a little bit of spicy, a little bit of sweet.
We have guests coming in from over 28 states and 4 countries this year, which is great because the frequency is out there. The ripples in the pond are reaching coast to coast, north to south, because they're coming for that same experience. They found this little boutique urban festival. So when they come, I want them to have a full sensory explosion of great food and drink, crafted cocktails, sit down here in the main room and listen to incredible music. Every sense is touched, and they just walk away just feeling like they're a part of something very special.
It's very Fayetteville. It's a very Fayetteville thing. Music, the food.
Our local scene here highly embraces the event because I think that it embodies our community and Fayetteville as a whole as this little mountain town in its natural state.
It feels like family and just feels like home.
Just off the wall.